Mr. G, and I'm gonna go over the E note on the guitar. Now I'm playing my acoustic guitar, and on this particular guitar, I have 20 frets. On my electric, I have a few more frets than that, and depending on what guitar you have, that'll determine how many frets you have on your guitar. But in this scenario, I have 20 frets, so I'll be going over the E note on it, and I'll show you the E note across all 6 strings. Now, first of all, let's go to the E string, which is your first string, and that open note there is an E. And then, if I go to the 12th fret, that is also an E. Then if I go to the B string, which is the second string, the E note there is on the 5th fret. And if I were to slide up onto the 19th fret on the second string, that is also an E. Like I said, there's only 20 frets of this guitar, so the 3rd string, or the G string, the only E note I have is on the 9th fret, 3rd string there. If I go to the 2nd fret of the 4th string, that is also an E. And if I slide up to the 14th fret on the 4th string, that is an E also. On the 5th string, on the 7th fret, that is an E too. And if I slide up here to the 19th fret on the 5th string, that is also an E. If I go to the 6th string, I'll play that open, that is also an E. Then if I go to the 6th string on the 12th fret, that is also an E. Hey, memorize that. Get familiar with the E note. It's really going to help your playing. And keep on jamming.